In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make a E-shaped side table in SketchUp. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with a rotated rectangle. We can start from the origin and then we can set the height of this side table around 300 millimeter, and then we can set the length around 400 millimeter approximately. So we have to push it up anyway. We have to push it up around 330 millimeter, and then we can make group and make component, just create. So and then we can move and press Control to duplicate it, and then you can place on this position around a 350 millimeter, and we can type 2 slash. Okay, so then we have to make the vertical shaft in here. We have to push it to the right side around 30 millimeter also. We can make it group, and then we can move and press Control to duplicate it in this position. Okay, and then we can make the material of it. And I'm going to explain about the dimension. You can follow this dimension, but it's just approximately dimension, so you can make it more perfect dimension as you want anyway. Okay, you can see it. I will give you about the dimension. Okay, just like this, and the thickness of every single part anyway. Okay. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you for this basic modeling, this side table, and just wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.